In this video friends, I will show with you step by step how to cancel voice AI subscription. So friends, if you have a premium, go to this profile, this side of this profile here, and then click this icon and go to plan. After that friends, when you go to plan, you see this option here. You see click on the plus icon as I say and choose the plan and click get now. Choose the plan and click get now guys. After that you will see option called saved card, and then you can remove your card from three click edit button, and then from edit button guys, when you click a plan you see three button and click edit button and then click remove your card, and then you will see this option, your voice subscription has been cancelled. You can remove your card guys from your plan, this option. In my case guys, I don't have premium plan. This is, I can see this option. If you have premium, just click go to saved card and click remove card. Thanks for watching guys this video. See you on another video soon. Don't skip like and share this video for more content.